Hello everyone, welcome to my greatest YouTube channel and your greatest YouTube channel. How is everyone doing? Hope you all are fine. Hello. Right, boys and girls, gentlemen and ladies, finally, welcome to our subnetting scenario. Sorry about my writing, I'm still concentrating on it. So, right, now, as you know, that we have managed, hopefully, to come to our subnetting site. So here, what I would like to do is tell you something regarding subnetting. So as you all know, why is subnetting important? Why is subnetting important? Subnetting is important because sometimes, not all the time, sometimes we need to divide our computer network into big groups or smaller groups. So subnetting will help us do that. And what is that? And that is dividing our network into smaller network. Into smaller network. I won't go into too much detail because this is what you really want to know till this time. Subnetting, everyone, is very practical. You don't need academics or somehow you don't really need information regarding academics, because once you are on the test, they will ask you more of numerical stuff rather than asking you regarding the definition, because you don't get any marks for definition or defining. So as we go back, finally I got one quiz for you. There we go. Right, does everyone knows do anyone know or anyone knows where does IP internet protocol reside in the OSI model? So you remember the OSI model which we discussed before? So can anyone tell me where this IPv, because we are doing IPv4 subnetting. So let's crack on with it. So please do not throw sausage pizza away. I'm sorry, I'm not getting hungry. It's just I made an abbreviation. It's a very old school common abbreviation. So please do not throw sausage pizza away, and that is P for presentation. Thank you. If anyone doesn't know what I'm doing, I'm actually doing OSI model, and that's one of the oldest and the unique network model that is used in the computing world. We will be looking at the TCP/IP model, not at the moment. So yeah, so there we go. So that's presentation. Hello, anyone notice my mistake? Did anyone notice my mistake? Did you? Did you? Did you? Anyone notice my mistake? What was my mistake? Yes, we are going from down to up. So the presentation layer is not here. Excuse me, frauds. Excuse me, the person who is teaching. Presentation layer is not here. Anyone who has noticed this, Full marks to them. I'm very happy that you have got something of networking out of it. So we will scribble this one and we'll write physical. So when I say physical, it's not we're going to learn about jiu-jitsu and fighting. I wish fighting. No, wrong. Let's come back. Now, physical is more of your cabling and your cabling infrastructure. Anything to do with troubleshooting of physical cabling, which is, ladies and gentlemen, a part of the new CCNA exam. So, yeah, physical is going to come here. And then we have data link. As everyone knows, what's next? That is network layer. Everyone, this is where IP resides. Internet protocol there. And we are doing IPv4 subnetting. So we are dealing with this. We are dealing with this area at the moment. So just to let you know that we are dealing with this area. So to keep the video small and move fast, I'm going to move more faster. So as subnetting, as you know, that we need to divide our computer network into groups. Now, they can be further broken down into smaller subnetworks as well, as everyone knows. Now, the point to notice is in subnetting, we are doing this. Well, on the other side, in supernetting, that's another concept coming. Netting, we do vice versa. And supernetting is also called, what is it called? Anyone knows? Does anyone know? It's called VLSM. Variable length subnet masking. So yeah. So I'm just giving you a breather. I'm just trying to prepare you logically for IPv4. After that, it will all be so practical that you will be learning IPv like that. You'll be solving it like this, bro, like this, sister, like that. Yeah, right. Now after network, let's do transport. Very important because there's a lot of questions that can come in. Anyone who is doing N plus through CompTIA, Networking Fundamentals course, this is really, really important. Anyone and everyone, Cisco is not everyone's plate. So if anyone is trying to get into networking, so my suggestion is this network model and these basic stuff you should know. Now here, the protocol that resides is IP. But just to let you know, there are other protocols that are used as well. So just keep an eye on them as well. So let's go to the next one. Session and presentation. And application. Right. Just a brief overview here. Just remember this. IP resides at the network layer here. So that's an abbreviation. These are the real ones actually. So physical, data link, network. And this is, ladies and gentlemen, this is our OSI model. OSI model is a networking model, as you all know. So I do it really precisely and slowly. I'm a bit slow sometimes because I want you to remember everyone. Just remember this again and again. Watch the video again and again and see this. So please do not throw sausage pizza away. If you can't remember these layers, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers. So that's the way of doing it. But we always start from physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. Anyone who's going to work in the field, start troubleshooting with physical. Always start troubleshooting, or if you are going to fix a network, start from physical. That's a good idea. Right, in the next video, we'll crack on right into Class C masks, and we'll start doing the numerical bits, and we'll start doing right away IPv4 subnetting in class C. And my way of teaching is slightly different, but if you feel that my suggestion is you need to sort of move on with it as well, like see what I'm doing, look at the other people, and then start making a logic out of it. And remember, everyone, looking at this is not the scenario. You need to take out MCQs, take out the headings, the important headings out of this. Like, there might be a question, okay, which layer is the physical layer in OSI model? Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. It goes in layers. Layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4, layer 5, layer 6, like that. So if someone says layer 1, that's physical layer here. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, bye.